How to place an order on Temu. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to place an order on Temu. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Temu application on the device. Sign into the particular account. Scroll down and locate the item which you want to place an order. Once you have found the item, simply tap on it and open the item. When you scroll, you will see the pictures of the item that you have selected. Once you are satisfied with it, you need to scroll down, select the size and the quantity. After that, tap Add to Cart at bottom of the screen. Once it has been added to cart, select the cart icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now, if you see multiple items and only want to place an order for that particular item, you need to uncheck mark the button for other items and tap checkout at bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you need to add the payment method. You can easily select any one method. After that, you need to add the card details, expiration date, CVV, and many more things here. After that, you need to select submit order at bottom of the screen and easily place an order on Temu. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.